All right, I've been looking forward to this moment all day long. 2.6 Elixir. We're gonna check it out. Very excited to wear this tonight. I'm freshly showered. I am a 6 sprayer, so at least 6. Woo! Wow. Man, that is nice. That is a nice tobacco. I don't know what the notes are, but I smell maybe some incense or like a spice. Like a tobacco and like cinnamon. Maybe. Man, that's nice. It's really refined. It's really organic smelling. I love, man, it's hard to, it's really, really hard to go from extract back. It honestly is. That is so smooth. That is nice. That is really just a really nice tobacco note. Dude, this tobacco is good.
Which one?
The Elixir?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, I just want to breathe in that like deep lung. Now I understand the hype. Cam. Really good job. Wow. That is a manly smell. Although I feel like a woman could pull this off too. But I think it probably just makes me think of like the most interesting man in the world is probably wearing this with like a suit and a cigar. It's really good. Man, love it. Definitely gonna pick me up some. You need bigger balls, buddy.